Flush valve installation method. First, rotating the body and pulling out gently. Rotating stainless steel elbow to the bottom. 2. Pull the stainless steel elbow into flushing hole. The angle between overflow pipe and system flush hole center line should be 45 degrees, and the height of overflow pipe shall be 2 cm lower than height of system. Finally, lock the screws until it's not leaking. 3. Put the body into flushing base and adjust it properly. Fill valve installation method. Take off hexagon nut and a flat gasket. 3. Pull the fill valve into the hole vertically and put on the hexagon nut and a flat gasket. Adjust the fill valve to avoid closing the system wall and lid. Finally, lock the nut until it's not leaking. Attention, please don't use the wrench. 4. Please put the water supply pipe into overflow pipe. Push button installation. First, turn off button nut, then put it into system lid hole. If button rod is too long, cut down long part. Adjust the button rod again and lock the nut. Make sure there's 1 mm between rod and metal dome. If the bottom is too long, it will cause water leaking. If too short, it will reduce water volume or no water volume. Finally, discern full flush and half flush and lock the button nut.